The UMOMO U-720 digital piano offers a full-size 88-key layout with graded style touch that feels reassuringly close to an acoustic instrument for beginners and adults alike. Its three-pedal setup, including soft and sustain functions, plus a sliding key cover and matching storage bench, make it feel like a compact home upright rather than a simple keyboard. Built-in stereo speakers deliver clear, room-filling sound, while the keyboard also supports quiet headphone practice so you can play late at night without disturbing anyone. A generous library of tones, rhythms, and demo songs, along with keyboard split and recording features, encourages creative practice sessions and makes learning more engaging. The USB and MIDI connectivity allow you to hook the piano up to computers or mobile devices, opening the door to learning apps, recording software, and virtual instruments. Assembly is straightforward with the included tools and manual, and once set up, the sturdy stand and bench give the whole unit a stable, furniture-like presence in a living room or practice space.